Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be going through the rare, shiny, uncommon cards that I've pulled in the last couple of days. So, let's take a look at those, and when we're all done with that, we'll be revealing a code for the online Pokemon game. I'm not into the online stuff, so hopefully these codes can help out somebody who is. So, first up here we have Wailmer, Reshiram, Welreen, Metagross, Hawlucha, Poochyena, Porygon Z, Team Aqua's Great Ball, Gourgeist, Claydol, Nidorino, Special Water Energy, counts as 2 energies, can only be attached to a Team Aqua Pokemon however, but still a nice card. Slurpuff. This little guy can do 60 damage, and that makes your opponent's Pokemon fall asleep. It's got 100 HP, not bad for a evolved form Pokemon. Mr. Mime, Aggron, Sharpedo, Kyogre EX full art card. This guy's pretty cool. Can do 80 plus damage. It's got 4 retreat costs, 190 health. Pretty cool. And finally, the best card I've pulled in the last couple of days, a full art EX. This is Malamar. Can do 60 plus damage. And flip a coin for each energy attached to this Pokemon. This attack does 60 damage times the number of heads. So that could do some massive damage. It only requires 2 energies to do that attack. Oh, real nice card there. Alright, and finally, the lucky person out there who gets the code. Hope this helps you out. Alrighty, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you have a great day.